This is question 3, paper 2 for e-homework that I organized, set 2. Okay, diagram 3 shows a quadrilateral ABCD, and given that AB is equal to QA, so I write AB, QA, BC. You have to be careful of the arrow. This is QB, and then DC. Oh, DC is like that. So this is PA, right? Good. And then if AD is this, if AD is this, find the value of P and Q. And sometimes, when you look at this, you might freak yourself out, okay, by looking at, there are so many things. But don't worry, just write the formula out. So I put A, AD. Can you see? Good. AD is equals to negative 5A plus P plus 3 over 2B, and that is what I just copied out. So let's look at AD. AD, how do you move from A to D? So I can move from AB, BC, CD. Okay, so what I'm going to put here is AB plus BC plus CD. Okay, and I write this out again. Oh, you see, when I write this out, I discovered that this is CD instead of DC. So the sign, you have to change from the positive to the negative. So AB is QA, BC is QB, and CD is negative PA, okay? It's negative PA, so take note of this. Equals to negative 5A plus P plus 3 over 2. So I combine the A together, so this is Q minus PA plus QB equals to this, okay? Never mind, okay? Sometimes, I might waste 5 seconds for writing this. So I'm going to compare this, okay? I'm going to compare this because A with the A. So Q minus P is equals to negative 5. Okay, don't write the A. So I can leave this first. Then this one will be Q equals to P plus 3 over 2. Okay, I multiply this to the top. So it's 2Q equals to P plus 3. So I replace the P here. So I bring the P. I bring this 5 over here. Is Q plus 5. Okay, so P is equals to Q plus 5. Put this here. So 2Q equals to Q plus 5 plus 3. So this Q, bring it over. Q will be equals to 8. Okay, 2Q minus Q is Q. So when I get Q is 8, I can actually put it inside over here. P will be equals to 8 plus 5 equals to 13. Okay, you see? Good. And that's the answer. The second one, given the area of triangle ACD is 52. So this ACD is 52. And then the perpendicular distance from A to DC. A to DC, oh, it's 4 units. So what I need to do is that I use my ruler and I draw a perpendicular line. Okay, and this is 4, right? And I find the value of magnitude A. Okay, so since then they inform that you have the area, so what I'll do is that I will write down the area. So this area is 1 over 2 multiplied by the height, which is 4, and then I multiply with this, with DC, okay, equals to 52. So don't worry, just transfer the information first. So this is cut, this is 2 bring it over. My DC will be equals to 52 divided by 2 will be equals to 26. And what's my DC? My DC is PA. So what's my P? Let me see, my P is 13. So this will be 13A. So my A will be 26 divided by 13. Oh yes, it's very logical. So the A is actually 2, and this is magnitude, okay? If you want, you can put unit as well. Alright. Thank you for watching. If the MCO is still continued, and anyone who wants to try my e-homework, you can text me at 01947 27203 at WhatsApp only. Thank you for watching.